How's it going? My name is Cameron Stewart, Principal Product Manager here at SolarEdge. Now I wanted to take a second to discuss how the inverter bracket is used for the SolarEdge Nexis Inverter. As you can see here, we have the SolarEdge Nexis Inverter stacked on top of a battery stack. And when you do that, your Nexis Inverter French cleats will not make contact with the bracket. They are held in position with the seismic screws. All of the load of the inverter is carried through the floor and through the battery stack itself. But let's say your inverter was located somewhere else, maybe away from the battery stack so there was nothing underneath it, or you just did a PV-only installation. In that case, the inverter bracket will be installed on the wall, and then the cleats would make contact with the inverter bracket. So this is how we get a lot of flexibility over design and using a single bracket for everything. When it's wall mounted, it makes contact with the cleats. When it's floor mounted, it doesn't. So stay sunny and stay optimized.